We at Shambhu Dayal Global School function with a vision of creating leaders for life. We know that this can be achieved with a heady mix of academics and co-curricular exposure, Indian values and global exposure, leadership roles and teamwork. We constantly strive to create this mix and ensure the SDGs shine above all others. Use of smart learning system increases the interaction of teachers and students as they follow each other in the process, and it becomes easy for teachers as well to keep track on students' learning power. The school playground provides a safe outdoor environment within the school that stimulates children to use their creative energy in healthy interaction with one another. Indoor games and activities are also a very good way of keeping our mind active with brain activity that we have to do while playing and simulation games. Playing on playground, making pyramids by block, running around the park. One of the main benefits of outdoor play is that it allows children to learn by experience, allowing them to make sense of the world around them and use their imaginations. The arts have always been an integrated part of our curriculum. We weave the arts in our core classroom curriculum as well as teach specific artistic skills and abilities. Painting experiences boost critical thinking, teaching students to take the time to be more careful and thorough in how they observe the world. Sculpting also helps the students develop their artistic abilities. Sculpting requires a lot of talent and it really challenges the imagination of the student. Music and dance allows kids to express themselves. Young musicians and dancers learn skills like balance, control, and coordination. From classroom interactions, coursework learning, and admin processes, AI makes it all better. And the advantages keep improving and increasing as new AI technologies emerge. Children are able to retain the knowledge for longer when they see the experiment being performed in front of their eyes. Science lab equipment allows students to interact directly with the data gathered. They get a first-hand learning experience by performing various experiments on their own. The computer lab serves as the center for teaching computer, used to hold classes, usually by a specialist computer teacher. Classroom teachers also use the lab with their classes for research or for creating technology-based projects. Language labs provide practice in an entertaining and interactive way to acquire the 4 main language skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. It allows students to reinforce material learned in class by putting them into practice through interactive activities. The ability to do something well is a skill, and there are some other more general qualities and skill are having in our school. Our school provides safety measures and ensures safety of students through face recognition, 360-degree CCTV cameras in classes, labs, corridors, main and back gate, well-equipped fire system like basement sprinkler, fire stair, fire cylinder, etc. And we are providing proper health and sanitation facilities with RO for clean, safe drinking water, as we strongly believe in making our students healthy and wise. We are eco-sanitized school where vermicomposting takes place that convert waste into compost, vending machine that convert biological waste into ash, and incinerator. We believe in conserving rainwater, so we are having rainwater harvesting system. We are keeping close check on sanitization of our school in this pandemic time. Instructions are mentioned everywhere of do's and don'ts in COVID period. Shambhu Dayal Global School, a school for excellence, where your child can engage, experience, and excel. We are providing education with modern technology, blended education, integrated theme-based and multidisciplinary teaching. Education didn't stop during this pandemic time. Instead, it moved online. So we have adopted a wide range of virtual learning tools and software, including virtual tutoring platforms, and learning management systems. Admissions open for session 2021 to 2022 with discounts. 20% discount in admission charges for girl child of any class till 28th February. Sibling discount to elder child, 10% concession in tuition fees. Discount in admission charges will be 5,500 till 28th February 2021. From 1st March onwards, it will be 6,000. Other discount will remain as earlier. 5% discount on full payment of tuition fee for the session 2021 to 2022.